part 65 of chapter 3. One of the greatest teachers of Kanya was one day giving a lecture on a terraced roof when suddenly he heard the sound of a lute. He exclaimed, "These lutes are an innovation on the prophetic usages. They must be interdicted." Forthwith, the form of Jalal appeared before him and answered, "That must not be." On this, the teacher fainted away. When he regained his consciousness, he sought to make his peace with Jalal by sending an apology and a recantation to him through the medium of Jalal's son, Sultan Velad, but Jalal would not accept them. He answered, "It would be easier to convert 70 Roman bishops to Islam than to clear away from the mind of that teacher the stains of hate, and so set him on the right road. His soul is as foul as the paper on which children practice their writing exercises." At length, however, he allowed himself to be appeased by his son, so that he permitted the teacher with his pupils to constitute themselves his disciples. And some stuff is forbidden, but it's not something that it's the state's right to do anything about, other than say, hey, it's not right. And, leave it at that. Don't allow it in the masjid, or don't allow such immodesty or behavior or whatever. But, that's it. But why did he say that, right? That's, of course, something being pointed out.